surprise today. Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn colors and make different shapes like these ones. Telephone, duck, car, fish, and little hands. So let's start with white blue. Oh, nice. Here we have a little house. Fish, orange. We make a little orange fish. Let's make a little car. Play-Doh first time. Oh, nice! Little car. Blue little car. Pink Play-Doh. On the green stump, we make a little duck. Nice! A little pink duck. Finish. Let's make cream or jelly. Which one do you prefer? Let's make with cream. The left stump will make a little green telephone. Let's see. Here, nice. Green telephone. So we have a green telephone, a little light blue house, an orange fish,